Hello friends, welcome in our channel Learn English Grammar with Sulakshana. So friends, today we are going to learn forms of verbs. So let's see forms of verb, but before it we will study some examples. So here are the examples. Very first, I ring the bell. Second, he rings the bell. Third sentence, she is ringing the bell. Fourth sentence, he has rung the bell. And fifth sentence, he rang the bell. So let's see, here are 5 examples I have given. In that 5 examples, the ring has a different forms. So what are the different forms and why the verb changes its form? See here, in these all examples, ring, rings, ringing, rung, rang are all verbs. But these verbs change its form according to its noun, or we can say according to the subject and the tense in sentence. You see here, I say I ring the bell. Means I want to use simple present tense here, and according to simple present tense and subject is I. Means first personal singular pronoun, and that's why I uses ring as a verb here. In the second sentence, he means third personal singular pronoun is here, and I want to show simple present tense. See, simple present tense means according to the first sentence, the second sentence is also there, but the difference is in subject. In the first sentence, I is subject, and then in the second sentence, he subject means is a third personal singular. And when we use third personal singular pronoun in simple present tense, we have to add s or es to the main verb. So that's why here comes he rings the bell. In the third sentence, I want to show continuous tense. Okay, in the third sentence, I want to show you continuous tense. Of course, here comes is, means it is a present continuous tense. Because here comes is, it is called present tense, and here come ing to the main verb, it is called continuous. So present continuous tense. And here subject is she, means she is. If we take here they, so they are ringing the bell, like that we have to use are over here if we use they as a subject. But subject is a singular, so we use is. So she is according to its, means according to the subject, and according to tense we use ringing here. Okay, in the fourth sentence, again third personal singular pronoun he. I want to show here perfect tense. Okay, so I have used rung here. It is present perfect tense, and that's why I have taken has, because he has means present perfect. So has shows it is a present tense, and rung shows it is a perfect tense. So the tense in the fourth sentence is perfect present tense. So he has rung the bell. And in the last sentence, the subject is he, and rang means here I want to show only simple past tense. And in simple past tense, the verb form of ring is rang. Okay, so here I use simple past tense. So see here, listen my friends, we change the forms of verb according to its subject. Listen here, according to its subject and according to its tense. See here which tense we want to use, that is most important, and what is the subject comes in the sentence. So again remember, according to subject and tense, we use or we decide which forms of verb we have to use in the sentence. Okay, so let's see here. Now see the next. Okay, so in the next, let's see here what are the forms of verb. So see here, there are 5 forms of verb. How many? 5. So there are 5 forms of verb in English. What are that 5 forms? So let's see here. It is called as a V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. Means verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, verb 4 and verb 5. So what is verb 1? What is V1? So V1 is called root form, means root form. Each and every verb has root form, means original form. Okay, original form of verb. So here I have taken sing for example. Okay, for example I have taken sing. So sing is one of the verb. So root form of sing is to sing. It is called V1. Past tense means V2 means past tense of the verb sing is sang. It is called V2. Then V3 means past participle of the verb. So past participle form is called sung, means sing, sang, sung. It is called V3. Then the V4 part, it is present participle form. It is called singing, means it is called V4. And then ES or S form is sings. Okay, so it is called V5. Remember, V5 uses only in simple present tense with third personal singular pronoun. Remember here, with third personal singular pronoun means that is he or she. See here, third personal singular pronoun means he, she or it, okay, or anyone's proper name, means Nita, Neha, like that. When the name comes, at that time also it is called singular third personal pronoun. So with third personal singular pronoun we have in simple present tense. Remember here, in simple present tense and third personal singular pronoun we have to use V5 form of the verb, that is ES or S form of the verb. Okay, so let's see here some examples of the verbs. So let's see here some examples. See here some examples. I have given V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. So what is here? See, to make. V1 is to make, made, made, making, makes. To write, become wrote, written, writing and writes. Then to go, become went, gone, going and goes. Then drink, become drunk. See here, drink become drank, drunk, drinking and drinks. Then to say become said, said, saying and says. Remember here, just practice of it. Take verb and make the 5 forms of that verbs and you may know. So friends, here we will stop. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, do like to it and keep watching. Till then, bye bye.